this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I create crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this romantic bookmark. I really love it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It was really fun to make and it's so useful. So for this project I used this 100% mercerized cotton yarn. It's a DK Light 3 yarn, and as you can see I only used a bit. So I used Drops Muskat yarn. I will be linking everything in the description box if you are interested. So I think this color is called Soft Peach. You will also be needing a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, a pair of scissors and some ribbon. So this is what I have, and this is called Gros Grain ribbon and it's 10mm wide, and that's what I had at hand. A little pin, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. As always, free pattern will be available on my blog selinaveronique.com, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to head over to my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. So to begin this tutorial, just take your yarn, make a slip knot like so, and pop your hook through. And now what we are going to be doing is chaining 36. Just go ahead and chain 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once you have 36 chains, what you will be doing is placing a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this 4th chain you will be placing a double crochet. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into this chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. And the first chain 3 at the beginning counts as a double crochet. And now you are going to be going into the next stitch with a double crochet, and into the next stitch with a double crochet, and just place a double crochet into each and every chain across until you reach the end of this chain, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I've done row 1 as you can see, and so this is what I have, and what I have done. So I finished this row like this, as you can see. And now what I am going to be doing is turning this project to be facing this side. And so for row 2 we are going to be doing the shell stitch edging. So to begin, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet and goes with this first stitch here. What you are going to be doing is creating a first half shell in this stitch. So just go ahead and place 2 more double crochets inside this stitch, so 1 and 2. So that means you have 3 double crochets in total inside this first stitch. Now count 1, 2, skip those 2 stitches and go into the next stitch with a single crochet. So to create your single crochet, go directly through the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through the 2 loops, and that creates your single crochet. Now skip 1 and 2 stitches once again and go into the next, and you are placing your first full shell inside that stitch. So place 5 double crochets inside the stitch. 1, oops, sorry, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 double crochets. And now skip 1 and 2 and go into the next with a single crochet once again, and just repeat this pattern over and over. So just skip another 2 stitches and go into the next with 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochets. And now place your single crochet, so skip 2 stitches and go into the next with a single crochet, and just repeat this until you reach the last 3 stitches, and I'll show you how to finish off this row. Okay, so I've almost finished this stitch, and so this row. I've placed 5 double crochets in this stitch, and now you are going to be counting 1 and 2 and going into the next stitch, which is also the chain 3 from the previous row, and place your last single crochet into that. So place your last single crochet into this, and now you are simply going to be fastening off and pull through like so. So now what we are going to be doing is working the exact same shell stitch edging on the other side, so this side. And so to do this, turn your project round, and this is the chain side. So this is the beginning chain that we made, and so just take your yarn and attach the yarn to the project like so. And now once you've done that, just pop your hook through, and this is going to be the exact same process. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. Now what you are going to be doing is placing 2 more double crochets within this same stitch to have your first half shell like so. Now what you are going to be doing is skipping 1 and 2 stitches and going into the next one with a single crochet. Skip 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and go into the next with 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then skip 2 chains and go into the next with a single crochet, and just carry on this pattern until once again you reach the last 3 stitches, and I'll get back to you. So I've almost finished this second side, and so now I'm going to be placing into my last chain a single crochet. So this is just an exact repeat of the other side, if that makes sense. So I'm just showing you briefly, I'm not going into details, and this is what we have for now. So what I am going to be doing is simply tidying up my loose ends, and then I'll get back to you to show you the rest of the pattern. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing is popping our ribbon through. Like I showed you, this is, apologies, I wasn't ready. This is the ribbon that I have, and it's called Gros Grain ribbon, and it's a 10mm wide ribbon. As always, I will be popping that in the description box also. I have cut an about 12-inch long ribbon, but and attached a bobby pin. Well, not a bobby pin, a pin, and we are going to be going through every second double crochet. So just go ahead and gently pull through your ribbon. And yes, like I said, just go in and out and place your ribbon in between each double crochet and pull through gently, and then I'll show you how to finish off this project. Okay, so now that you've added your ribbon, you are going to adjust it, and I'm simply going to snip it off sideways, as you can see, and I'm going to repeat this same process on the other side, and I am just going to be having the same angle on this side and that side. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to crochet to make the tassel. So to begin with, take 2 pieces of yarn and cut them off and put them aside. I don't know how long this is, probably about 10 inches, and cut another piece that's approximately as long. So you pop those 2 pieces of yarn aside, and now what I'm going to be doing, because this is a small tassel, I'm going to be wrapping my yarn around 3 fingers. So just go ahead. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've gone around 12 times. I'm going to snip off my yarn and very gently take this yarn and place this first piece of yarn around and just create a knot. So just create a knot, and I'm going to make a double knot like so. And now that we have this like that, I am going to be cutting my yarn like so here to create the tassel, and I'm just going to be readjusting the little pieces of yarn. And so now I'm going to take my second piece of yarn and attach it across the top of the tassel. So I hope I'm making sense. So like this. So just attach your yarn like this. Obviously this is a very small tassel because this is a bookmark, and I'm just going to go around a few times and rearrange this and create another knot before snipping off. So just go ahead and do that, rearrange your tassel, and then I'll meet you back. Okay, so there we go. This is our tassel, and I did end up tying a double knot here, and now I'm going to show you how to attach it to the project. So this is my project, and I am going to attach it at the center here. So just go ahead and take your yarn. I'm going to use my hook. Actually, what am I doing? So just attach your tassel, making sure it's not too tight. There we go. The ribbon is kind of making it hard to film, so I apologize. And I'm gently going to secure the tassel onto the project. I am pulling it a bit just because you don't want it to be rigid. You want it to kind of be supple. I hope this is making sense. I feel like my vocabulary is all over the place. There we go. So this is what we have. So now I'm going to be tidying up the loose ends. So this is it. I finished tying this tassel to the project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.